Three key documents you need in order to win your small claims court case. You have a valid claim in small claims court. The other side owes you money. You're confident you will win. But without the right documents, you will lose. Here's the law. In small claims court, evidence is everything. Even if your story is completely true, the judge can only make decisions based on what you can prove. So, today we are going to break down the three documents you need to win your case, so you can walk into that courtroom with confidence. The first document is the foundation of your case, Form 7A, Plaintiff's Claim. What it is. This is the official form that starts your lawsuit. It outlines exactly who you are, who you're suing, what they owe you, and why. Now, how to draft it. Identify the exact legal entity. Make sure you're suing the correct legal name of the corporation or individual. Suing an unregistered business name without the underlying legal entity can render your judgment unenforceable. State the facts chronologically. Write a clear, date-ordered narrative of what happened. Do not include emotional grievances or irrelevant background information. Just stick to the facts. Facts, not emotions. Next, calculate damages precisely. Break down your claim into specific line items. The court needs to see exactly how you arrived at that number. A key tip: do not include emotional grievances. The judge wants to know what happened, not how you felt about it. So facts are good. Emotions will not help you at this stage. The second document is the evidence binder. This is where you prove your case. A well-organized binder can make the difference between winning and losing. Now, what's to include in your evidence binder? Contracts, invoices, and receipts showing the legal relationship and amount owed. Communication logs, printed emails, text messages, and formal demand letters showing your attempt to resolve the issue in good faith. Physical evidence, time-stamped photographs or videos of property damage or defective work. Next, expert estimates. Written quotes from licensed professionals detailing the cost to repair the damages being claimed. Now, how to organize it. Create a binder or a folder. Keep documents in chronological order. Label each exhibit. Number everything clearly. Create an index for the binder. A table of contents at the front of the binder makes it easier for the judge to find what they need. You are trying to assist the judge to understand your claim and quickly gets to the facts to help you. So it's important to make sure that the table of contents at the front of the binder makes it easy for the judge to find what they need. Highlight key points. Draw attention to important sections rather than making the judge read through the pages of text. Why does this matter? Judges in small claims court hear many cases in a single day. So you can imagine that they don't have time to dig through confusing paperwork. Strong, well-prepared evidence helps you build credibility. Now, the third document is the Affidavit of Service. You must prove that the defendant was served with the claim. Without proper service, the case cannot proceed. Acceptable methods in Ontario: personal service, handing the document directly to the individual defendant. If they refuse to take it, you can drop it at their feet while explaining what the document is about. Alternative to personal service, leaving the document with an adult resident at the defendant's home and mailing a second copy to the same address. Third, corporate service: handing the document to an officer, director, or authorized agent at the corporation's registered head office. Finally, you can also set a registered mail. You may serve a claim by a registered mail or a courier, provided you receive a signature verifying receipt. Now, let's talk about the timeline. You must serve the defendant within 6 months of the claim being issued. All right, so in sum, here's your move. If you're filing a small claims court case, download Form 7A from the Ontario Court Service website. Organize your evidence binder, keep the documents in chronological order, and create an index for your binder. File your claim, pay the filing fee, and serve the defendant. And finally, proof of service. File your affidavit of service. Evidence is everything in small claims proceedings. Organize it, present it, and win your case. This is iChatLaw, where the law gets real. We'll see you on the next video.